if you want to make more right decisions, you have to first do more wrong decisions. The more decisions you make, the more experienced you become. And the more experience means what? Nothing. Experience means learning from your mistakes.
Good morning, sir. My name is Sandeep Patil. I am from Karnataka. Currently, I am in USA. So I have completed in DNA platform 7 months. So really, very thank you very much, sir. I am so proud to be this platform. Really, I am grateful, sir. So today I have one question to ask you, sir. So the question is how to make better decisions in life.
Making decisions and postponing decisions, they are two different things. There are many people who postpone decisions due to the fear of making a wrong decision. Postponing a decision, postponing and delaying the decision because I may make a mistake is worst thing to do. Make a wrong decision, but first take a decision. Second thing, as you said, like we take some decisions and then we realize that it was wrong. See, understand the decision which you took at that time, it was the right decision because the intelligence level which you had, the information which you had, the knowledge which you had, based on that knowledge, you took the decision that time. But today, now you are more matured. Matured means what? You have more information, more experience. Now you understood the factors which decide that decision, which influence the decision. And now you feel like, no, it was a wrong decision. Fine, that's true. But don't blame yourself or don't abuse yourself for that, saying that I always make wrong decisions. There are many people who always have this problem. I make wrong decisions. And then their self confidence depletes because they feel like my decision was wrong. No, no, your decision was not wrong. Your decision was right based on the factors, based on the information you had. Now, what is the wise thing to do? Now realize what were the mistakes in my decision. See, if you want to make more right decisions, you have to first do more wrong decisions. You cannot just, no, sir, I don't want to make any wrong mistake. I don't want to make any wrong decision. I want to directly take a right decision. It will not work. All the people who are successful, they are because of their decisions. Success means what? Making, okay, you join my institute. Now you are getting better in communication because of the decisions. So decisions impact your life. But all these people who are very successful, let us take any superstar. Let us take Shah Rukh Khan, for example. We call him a superstar. But he made a lot of wrong decisions while selecting movies also. Many of his movies are flop. And even today also, he makes a mistake while selecting a movie. The movie is flop. But he's learning from that. So first thing is, while making a decision, be ready for the consequences. Something will go wrong. You have to minimize the risk as far as possible, but don't stop make decisions. The more decisions you make, the more experienced you become. And the more experience means what? Nothing. Experience means learning from your mistakes. Last time I took a decision, I made few mistakes in that. Great. Now I'm more matured, more experienced. That's the reason why in corporate people prefer more experienced people. Why? Because these people have made a lot of mistakes when they were young. Why young people are not given big responsibilities? The reason why? Because they are young, they haven't made more decisions. But senior people have made more decisions and their decisions were wrong. Go and ask any person who is successful how many wrong decisions you have made, and he will say more wrong decisions than right decisions. So understand, to make one right decision, you have to make 4 to 5 wrong decisions. Then that right decision will come. And that one right decision will change your life. But here the
Yes.
problem is people say that, no, sir, I want directly to make without any mistakes, without making any wrong decisions. I want to make one right decision. Not going to work. Life is making mistakes, learning from it. Some decisions are life threatening. Yes. Some decisions may destroy your career also. It happens. But we are not here to shoot on in our own leg. No one is doing that. And if it happens, there are many people who are listening, and I know that they have made some really nasty decisions in life. Can be marrying a person or any other decision. I want to tell you, don't beat yourself. Don't do that. You made a mistake, fine. Learn from it. Move ahead. Go ahead. I did some blunders in my life. A lot of wrong decisions. Career decisions I did. Trusting people I did. A lot of wrong decisions I did. But now I realize that not making a decision is the worst decision. Make the decision as soon as possible. Yeah, in some cases, in case of marriage, you need to take some time, take that time. Sometimes postpone the decision. Yes, postpone in the sense, okay, I'm not in good mood today. Tomorrow I will call. Not now. It's a decision. Tomorrow I will call. When I am calm, I will call. Fine. Very nice. But I want to start investing. And if you keep on postponing this decision and start investing at the age of 40, it will be very late. In these situations, make quick decisions and invest as soon as possible so that that decision will really reap the benefits in the future. The earlier decisions you take, the better for your life. So decision making is, there is no software, there is no app for this. It's life, it's failure, it's falling, it's crying, it's making mistakes, it's learning from that. Wrong decisions will sometimes take you to depression also. It happens. Only in this way you make better decisions.